Good afternoon, students. In continuation with the working out of exercises, today we are going to see exercise number 124, 25, 26 and 27. Exercise number 124, first question. A man who has diligent habits is sure to succeed. In this, who has diligent habits is the adjective clause because it is modifying this noun man. The other clause is a man is sure to succeed. Who is this man who is sure to succeed? Who has diligent habits. So this clause we have to change into a phrase. So a man with diligent habits. This clause has been changed into this phrase with diligent habits is sure to succeed. Next one. We all admire a man who is courageous. We all admire a man who is courageous. Who is courageous is the adjective clause modifying the noun man. And so we change that into a courageous man. So we all admire a courageous man. Instead of a man who is courageous, we change into a courageous man, an adjective. Next, uneasy lies the head that wears a crown. Uneasy lies the head that wears a crown. Meaning of it is that a person with great responsibilities is always worried, is always in tension. Okay, that is what it is. So uneasy lies the head wearing a crown. Wearing a crown. Or a person with great responsibilities is always worried. A person with great responsibilities is always worried. That we also you can say. Otherwise, uneasy lies the head wearing a crown. Next, question number 4. A man who talks too much is seldom listened to. A man who talks so much is seldom listened to. So, a man who talks too much is what is the adjective clause modifying the noun man. So, a talkative man, an adjective is used. A talkative man is seldom listened to. Talkative man means a person who is always talking or too much talking. Next, people who live in glass houses should not throw stones at others. People who live in glass houses, that is what is adjective clause to be changed. So people living in glass houses, we make a phrase, should not throw stones at others. Okay, that's all from this. The remaining you can do on your own. Now we go to exercise 125. In the following sentences, replace the noun phrase by suitable noun clause. Just opposite. Okay, replace the noun phrase which is already given there. Is given to change into a noun clause. Question number 1. The time of his coming is not known to me. The time of his coming is not known to me. Okay. When he is coming is not known to me. The time is not known to me, one clause. The of his coming is not known to me. So when he is coming is not known to me. When he is coming, that is the time of his coming. Here there is no verb, it is only a phrase that is changed into when he is coming. One clause, he is not known to me. Okay, that's how it is changed. Next, I heard of her failure. I heard of her failure. I heard that she had failed. Of her failure is changed into she had failed. So that is a new clause that is made the noun clause. I heard that, what did I hear? That she had failed. The reason of his disappearance is not known. The reason of his disappearance is not known. The reason of his disappearance is the clause that is to be, is a phrase changed into clause. Why he has disappeared? Why he has disappeared is not known to me. That's how it is changed. Okay. Next, I know your great fondness for music. I know your great fondness for music. That means you are very fond of music, and I know that fact. Okay. So your great fondness for music is what is the clause here. Sorry, phrase. Your great fondness for music. No subject, no finite verb, and it is not a clause. So I know that you are very fond of music. That is the character, the answer. I know that you are very fond of music. Next, we hoped for your success. We hoped for your success. We hoped that you would succeed, or we hope that you would succeed. Okay, so that you would succeed is a new noun clause that we have made. Now exercise number 126. Suitable either a noun or noun phrase for the noun clause in each of the following sentence. Okay, first one, nobody expected that he would die. Nobody expected one clause, that he would die is the next clause. Fine. So nobody expected his death. This clause we have changed into a phrase. Nobody expected his death. Okay, that he would die. So this is the main clause, this is subordinate clause. And now we have changed this subordinate clause into a phrase. Next, the jury declared that he was not guilty. The jury declared one clause, that he was not guilty, another clause. That he was not guilty is the subordinate clause. The jury declared his innocence, that he was not guilty. That noun clause we have changed into an adjective. Sorry, a phrase. His innocence. The jury declared his innocence. Next, he expects that he will win a prize. He expects that he will win a prize. That he will win a prize is what is the noun clause. That we will change into a phrase. He expects to win a prize. He expects to win a prize. Next one. I believe that the man is trustworthy. I believe that the man is trustworthy. I believe one clause, that the man is trustworthy is the noun clause. I believe in his trustworthiness. I believe in his trustworthiness, or I believe in that man's trustworthiness. Okay, so it has become a noun phrase. Next, I appreciate that you love your country. I appreciate that you love your country. Your love for country, I appreciate that. So I appreciate your love for country. I appreciate your love for your country. So the clause is changed into a phrase. That's all. Now exercise number 127. In each of the following sentences, replace the words in italics by clauses. Replace the words in italics, that will be phrases in italics, change it into clause. I know that place of, I know the place of her birth. I know the place of her birth. Of her birth is what is the phrase here. I know what? I know the place of her birth. I know the place where she was born. Place of her birth is changed into the place where she was born. Where she was born. We changed into a clause. A phrase changed into a clause. Next, we met a girl with blue eyes. While going out somewhere, we met a girl. What was special with her? That she had blue eyes. So we met a girl who has blue eyes. We met a girl who has blue eyes. A man of courage succeeds everywhere. A man of courage succeeds everywhere. A man who is courageous succeeds everywhere. A man who is courageous succeeds everywhere. He told us the time of her departure. He told us the time of her departure. Of her departure is what is a phrase to be changed into a clause. So, he told us the time when she would depart or go away, or she told us the time she would depart or go away. Okay, you can use he told us a time when she would depart or go away, or he told us a time she would depart or go away, or she is departing. He told us a time when she is departing. That way also it can be written. Next one, do you know the road leading to the Taj? Do you know the road leading to the Taj? Do you know the road leading to the Taj? Leading to the Taj is what is the phrase that is to be changed into clause. Do you know the road that is leading to the Taj or that leads to the Taj? Okay, any of those can be written. So I have just worked out here on the board one each, and about 5 of them from each exercises now I have explained to you. The rest you can do it on your own, and if there is any doubt, please contact me. Thank you.